Hi everyone, guess what? I am so excited today because guess what we have already? We have Live Glam, and if you've been watching me, you know that I usually get this a month late, or not so much a month late, but like for example, in January I will be opening December's bag because they send this out to me on the 21st of every month. But this time, for some reason, we got January's in January, and I'm excited because this collection is so pretty. So if you want to see what Live Glam is all about, then keep on watching. For those of you who are new, my name is Jennifer, and I just do unboxing and unbaggings of subscription boxes and mystery boxes. I'm fairly new, so I hope you enjoy the commercial-free videos for now, and I would love if you like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So Live Glam is a monthly Lippie club for $19.99. You get between 3 and 4 full-sized items, and it does come in a collection, so they'll have a theme for the month of what that collection is. You also have an opportunity to switch out that collection for a variety of other collections that they have available if you don't like the current selection. And if there's just one item you want to swap out, then you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and let her rip. Alright, so always comes in this cute little pink bag. You do get the card. So this one is Goal Getter for January. So you get the cute little card, you get the lip collection here. Tells you all about the little thingies, and then it always comes in a cute bag. This is the first time I've received a golden bag. Usually they're like pink or lime green, always silky, always very pretty. You can take this on the go, you can fill it with other things, you know, the whole shebang. So let's see what we got. Let's see what Goal Getter is all about. Oh, exciting. I forgot that we're getting a lip bullet in this collection. And then we've got the two Lippies. So let's go ahead and you guys can take a look here. Very pretty. So let's see. Okay, I like this one. I love lip bullets, and I'm so glad they put this in a collection because usually it's just 3 of these. So super excited to get that variety, of course. So let's go ahead, let's see. Oh, one more thing. So the colors in this collection are Worthy, Ambitious, and Motivated AF. So again here, so you just have an idea of what colors are what. And let's go ahead and get started with Motivated AF. So that one looks like the lightest color in this trio. And they always have a, you know, the lid is detailed with whatever their theme is. So let's go ahead and get it rolling. And I think I've said this before, they have this doe foot applicator. Very nice quality. They do dry on matte, but they are not drying, and this is why I love this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the lips. And of course, you know, I'm just going to do the best swatch I can do with what we got going on. Oh, this is nice. So I tend to go for nude and mauve colors, so this is why this is so exciting for me. I think this color, it's fairly light for my skin complexion. However, I do feel like if you add a darker lip liner, it would be beautifully amazing. So let's go ahead and we'll swatch that as well as putting it on thy lips. So here is that color, Motivated AF, and on thy lips. I'll get it right one day, you guys. I'm just not an editor per se, so you know, that's what we got for now. Let me go ahead and wipe that off. And I know in my other, I notice when I replay my videos, I can see I get it all over the place, and yeah, so you know, I'll get better as I get better. And it's just makeup. It wipes off anyway, right? Right. Okay. All right, next in line is Ambitious, and it is a little bit darker of a brown nude color. Again, has the theme of our month, the lid there. And of course, it is the same applicator as the other. Very pretty. We'll do the swatch first on this one. Oh, this one actually seems a little bit more pale than the other. Or maybe it's a little more pinky. Okay, it's a little pink. I like that. Let's see. And again, very, you know, dries down matte fairly quickly. It doesn't feel drying on the lips. Very nice formula. Also, it usually lasts pretty well through meals. I would say the longer you have it on, the drier obviously it is and stays. And I don't feel like there's much touch up after the fact. So that is really good there. And again, I like this color. I think I like it a little more than this one. Whoopsies, boink, freaked my dog out. So I liked this color a little bit more, but again, I think you could really have some fun with these colors because you can add those lip liners and kind of darken it up a little bit, or you can just leave it as is. I like this one. I really like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right, so there's that guy, and the most exciting one that I'm excited for anyway is this one is Worthy. And you know, I'm all about worthiness. Like, we are all worthy. I love the name. Very good, very good. And I just have to take a moment to show you how cute this is. Like, look at how fabulous and bougie this looks. It has this gorgeous pink diamond on the top, and it's just really fancy black and like rose gold color, and just very pretty packaging. Like, it's just adorable and gorgeous. Here is that color. So again, I was saying I love nude and mauve colors. This is gonna be perfect for me. I already think this is my favorite one. So let's go ahead and let's get this on thy lips. Okay. So let's go ahead and swatch her first. We'll put it up here. Oh yes, this is gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Oh, it feels so good. Again, I love the formula. Oh, that didn't come out right, but that's just because of where I put it on my hand. There we go. So see how pretty that mauve nude color is? Oh yes. And it smells like frosting. That's always nice. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. So this I'm gonna leave on for the rest of the day. I mean, it's getting dark outside, you can see, but I'm gonna leave that on for the rest of the day. I love this formula. It's more of like a, maybe more satiny, and that's fine with me. I love it. Again, so let's do a recap of what we got. We got the Lip Bullet. We got the Motivated AF and the Ambitious. So here is again that trio that we have. Very, very gorgeous. I love this collection. Probably one of my more favorite, one of the better ones that I like in the last few months, because they've been throwing in a bright red with the holidays, and I'm not a red person. I like I said, the mauves and the nudes, so this is perfect. So I love this. Again, $19.99. oh, excuse me, $19.99 for the set of 3. And again, you get to choose the collection, the current month collection, or you can swap it out. They also have a brush club and a eyeshadow club, so you might want to check those out. I'll leave it all down below. Let me know what you thought about this month's beautiful mauve or nude brown colors. I think it's fun. I think it's nice. I love it. I love adding to my collection. Hey guys, I'm popping back in really quickly because I went to throw away my shipping bag and it was heavy, and I found out that there were 2 items in here. Now, I don't know if this was a free gift or if... I know that you can use your points to get add-ons or additional items, but that's not the case. Like, I didn't do that. So I don't know if these were a free gift or by mistake or whatever, but they were just too exciting not to pop back in and share with you all really quickly. So this is a, it's called You Fancy. And you can see it must have been from a collection that had to do with money or dollar bills. And look how gorgeous this mauve color is. Like, we've got to give it, like, I just felt like I needed to hop back on and share with you really quickly the doe foot applicator. We got this pretty, oh, it's more of a, it's kind of a lip gloss. It's not so much a lipstick. So let me get that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this would be really pretty. I still have the other, what's it called? Worthy. I still have Worthy on. So let's just go ahead and pop that on top. Oh, I love this. That's a nice topper. I love that. So you can, you know, instead of the matte look, you can kind of add some shine to it. So there's that guy. Oh, look at how cute. This even has a little $ here. Look how cute. Okay, so anyway, that's awesome. And then we've got this makeup brush. Look at how adorable this is. Like, I'm totally going to use this, and I'm really grateful that I got this. Look at how cute this is. Look how pretty. It says Live Glam. It's got this little pretty detail on it. It is double-ended. My puppy's walking around. You might hear her. So yeah, very gorgeous. Oh, I love this. It's a great quality. I think it's a really good opportunity to see what their brushes are like. I didn't even know they had brushes. I'm thinking, like, I don't know what happened here, but I'm very grateful. So yeah, I thought I'd just pop on in and show you this. And thank you, Live Glam. I'm not sure what happened, but thank you. I'm very much appreciative of it. And also, I thought I would mention to you, my friends and family, that what I have on my eyes is, so I don't usually do eyelashes, and this one came funky in the box, and I just don't care. Like, I'm gonna just throw it on, put it on anyway. But they are these guys from BoxyCharm. I got this, I actually received this in the pop-up, so I didn't get it in my box. I bought it as an add-on to my, or for the pop-up, I mean. So there's those guys. I think they're really pretty. I also didn't cut them down to fit because I'm probably not going to wear these all day or anything. I just thought they were fun and I wanted to give them a try. This is what is on my eyes. I said that I would be doing a look because I loved this green color here. So that is what I put on my lid here. I put this blush colored pink. Well, actually what I did was I started out with this color for the inner, or not the inner corner, for my crease, and then I started out with this for the outer V, but they were too light for my skin, so I ended up going in and covering it with this and this, and it worked out a lot better for my complexion. And then of course I went in and did the green on my lid and under my eye. I also I used this beautiful pink shimmer on my tear duct, and I used the pearl gold color for my eyelid up here. And then I don't know if you remember from my Ipsy video, but I just adored, it's stuck in my drawer. All right, I got this cute little Ciate London little blush. It's like a blush highlighter, and I wanted to use that for my highlight instead of this palette. So I have that on my cheeks, and yeah, I think overall it came out really good. I'm really happy with it. The eyelashes are a little bit long. Like I said, this one was smushed in the box, so you can kind of tell it kind of goes that way. But this one looks really pretty. And I could have fixed it if I took the time to do it, but I didn't. I was just having fun playing, wanting to make a new video, and so that's what I did. So yeah, anyway, again, like, comment, subscribe. Please consider being part of Friends and Family. I would love to do giveaways. And follow me on Instagram. I usually put the swatches and or a makeup look on that Instagram channel, and any kind of support that you give, I always will give back. And like I said, as the channel grows, so will the giveaways and all of those things. So I just really appreciate you being here with me as a newbie, and I just do this because, well, I don't have a lot of friends, and I love getting these subscriptions, and I live in a household full of boys. I have boys, I have my babe, and so I'm the only girl. So that's why I do these videos. So anyway, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.